So today we will discuss APSC Soil Consumption Ranger PY question, which was held on 2022. So here we'll discuss only the solutions. So let's start it. So the first question is: the government proposed to establish an Institute of Wildlife Health and Research in Assam. In which place is it proposed to establish? The correct answer is Dijang in Dibrugarh district. In one of the wildlife sanctuary in India, there are 17 carnivorous and mammalian species available. Which wildlife sanctuary does it have? Dihing Patkai. So the aptitude portions means one person will just I will just answer the correct answer. Just solution will be just I will give the answer. Solution I will not be doing here. So option D for option 9 5 it is 1%. 6 17 D. Video related to cassette in the same way the computer is related to floppy. The sum of any 7 conjugation it is just a numerical, so I will put it at C. Nine. This option number B 30 answer. Option number 10 it is answer number option number D 120. Now 11 question number. If the Bridan Borua text this is also a numerical this is a quantitative aptitude question, so I will just answer it. Option number A. It is also one. Option number D. I will just discuss the GK portion. Now option number 13. Oh, sorry, question number 13. Anuradha Sharma Pujari has been awarded Sahitya Academic Award in 2021. For which book she received this award? Yet Ekor Aranya Asir. Option number A. Who is the recipient of 2021 Booker Prize? Damon Galughat. Where was the first session of Assam Sahitya Sabha held? Sibsagar. Saharguri Chapuri is related to which of the following religion personality? Azan Fakir. Option number D. Passing Kuti festival is celebrated by which community in Assam? Khelma tribe of Dimasa, Assam. Vrindavani Vastra was met in which century? 16. Which is the rank of India in medal tally in Tokyo Olympic 2022? 2020 held in 2021. 48. Which world famous Indian Question number 20. Which world famous Indian cricketer was ball boy in the 1987 Cricket World Cup semi-final match between India and England? This god of the cricket is number B. Which Assamese film is the first Assamese science fiction film? Option number D. The correct answer is option number D. Avataram. Question number 22. There is a minor planet between Mars and Jupiter. The name of this minor planet is given after the name of one classical vocal singer by the International Astronomical Union. Which is this Indian classical vocal singer? Pandit Jasraj. So, who is this Indian classical vocal singer Pandit Jasraj? Bhutan, question number 23. Bhutan government on its national day, the 17th of December, conferred its highest civilization decoration Order of the Drang Galpo and the Nangda Pelji Kholoi to option number A. The correct answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. Question number 24. In the Indian Gate, New Delhi, till 1968, there was a statue. It was removed in 1968, and the Amar Jawan Jyoti, or a central or internal flame in the memory of those killed in the line of duty in 1971, has flickered in front of the empty canopy till 21st January 2022, then merged with the National War Memorial, whose statue was there in the Indian Gate till 1968. Option number C, King George V. 25. INS became the first indigenous aircraft carrier has been constructed by OC Shipyard Limited. Which of the following countries are not in the United Nations? All of this. Swami Vivekananda Birth Anniversary celebrated as National Youth Day. Which of the following food grains are kept by the FCI as butter stock? Rice and wheat. Ratan Tata is one of the recipients of recently instituted civilian awards of the Government of Assam. Which civilian award did has received? Assam Bhaga. As per the 75th round of National Sample Survey from July 2017 to June 2018, the overall literacy percentage in India is 77.7%. 31st question. The first digital university in India was recently inaugurated. Where the university is situated? Option number C, the correct answer, Tirupuram, Kerala. Tiruvannamalpuram, Kerala. It is known that the Sachin Tendulkar is the youngest recipient of Bharat Ratna at the age of 40. Who is the recipient of Bharat Ratna at the age of 100? Doda Keshav Khare, social reformer. Queen Sati Sadhani belong, question number 33. Queen Sati Sadhani belong to the dynasty of, option number D, Chutia. Who wrote Tungia Buronji? Option number B is the correct answer. Srinath Dwara Borburua. In Morigao district of Assam, a place known as Jongal Baluhu. Who was the Jongal Baluhu? Option number A, 14th century Tiwa ruler. 36. Question. The name of the capital of the Salastamba dynasty was Harudeshwarna. The place is now known as Tezpur. Which of the following Harappa site is located in Haryana? Rakhigiri. Option number B. Panini, the first Sanskrit grammarian in India, lived during the correct answer is option number C, 6th to 5th century BC. Aryabhatta and Brahmamitra belong to which age? Yes, Gupta age. Ashok called the third Buddhist council at which place? Paliputra. 41. Who was last Hindu emperor in northern India? Prithviraj Chauhan. During the Ahom rule, weaving was made a compulsory. Who made compulsory? Mumbai Tamuli. With which country India has the longest international boundary? Bangladesh. Which one of the following states has the longest coastline? Gujarat. Option number C. What is the difference of timing between GMT and IST? It is 5 hours. Option number C. 5 hours 30 minutes. The hill range that separate the state of Manipur and the state of Nagaland is known as Barai Hills. Who actually calculated the height of Mount Everest? Radhanath Sikandar, an Indian mathematician. Radhanath Sikandar, an Indian mathematician. 48. The history of the earth closely connected to the northeast. The last period of this history in the last 4,200 years has been classified by the geological Meghalaya age. Which river in the country does not have any bridge over it? Amazon. Which one of the following places has a protected mangrove region? Goa. The place located at the confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi is known as Dev. Kilimanjaro is what is located in which of the country? It is the tallest mountain located in Tanzania. Option number D is the correct answer. Who established the system of Diwani and the Fauzadari in British India? Warren Hastings. Option number B. Question number 54. Mahatma Gandhi stopped the non-cooperation movement due to the Sauri Sora incident. On which day did he stop the non-cooperation movement? Option number C. 12 February 1922. The Indian National Congress observed Independence Day for the first time in option number D. 26 January 1930. Home Rule League was formed by which one of the following politicians? Option number B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The civil disobedience movement was started in the year 1930 and ended in 1934. Which among following had an objective of introducing the self-government institution in India? Option number B. Which among was question number 58. Which among following was the Amir of the Afghanistan when Durand line was demarcated? The correct answer is option number C. Abdul Rahman Khan. Which among following had an objective introduction of self-government institute in India? Option number B. The Mountfort Reform. Which among following attended the martyrdom in jail while on hunger strike? The correct answer is option number B. Jatin Das. Pingali Benekya is related to which of the following international flag? Option number B. The Woods Dispatch of 1854 is related to which of the following? Setting up some university in India. Which can be the maximum interval between two sessions of parliament? 6 months. The power of the question number 64. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide the dispute between the central and the state falls under its original jurisdiction. Which One of the following has power to initiate the motion impeachment of the President in India. Editor House. 66. In which part of the Constitution India the detail of citizenship mentioned? Part 2. 67. How many fundamental given by the Constitution people of India? 6. The Central Administrative Tribunal deals with the recruitment and all the service matter. The Central Administrative Tribunal deals with the recruitment and all service matter. 69. The women representation in the present Lok Sabha is, the correct answer is option number D, 14.4%. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts within the India? Article 141. The Panchayat, the which of the following states have a single Lok Sabha seat? All of that above. Panchayat poll was held in India for the first time in the year 1959. Where it is, I think it's in Rajasthan. Maybe. As per which section of the RBI Act the bank is liable to pay the value of banknote written on it? Section 20 of RBI Act 1934. As per the new education policy 2019, which percent of GDP recommended for spending the education in India? 6%. 75 question. Euro, the official currency of European countries, is used in how many countries of the Europe? 19. Interest payment is an item of which type of expenditure? Revenue expenditure. Question number 77. Which of the following is not a source of tax revenue for the central government? Income tax, custom duty, service tax, motor vehicle tax. The correct action is option number D. Motor vehicle tax is another source of tax revenue for the central government. Which of the following, question number 78, which of the following, which is, question number 78, which is the contribution of the service sector to the Indian economic in the term of share GDP? 55.2%. The option B is the correct answer. The corporate tax in India is levied by which government? Option number C, central government. Option number D, which is the largest source of revenue in Assam? Sell tax. The economic survey in India prior prior to the prior to the date of passing the union budget is published obviously every year by option number C, Minister of Finance and the Government of India. Which body in India does not have a regulator of insurance section? RDR. Which one of the following vaccine is an inactive vaccine? The largest part of human brain is cerebrum. On which planet would question number 85, on which planet would one witness a sunrise in the west? Venus. 86. On 25 December 2021, a space telescope was launched by NASA. What is this telescope? James Webb Space Telescope. In 87. In COP26 at Glasgow, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that there will be net zero emission of carbon from India in 2070. Modern thermometer uses it in bulk. Modern thermometer uses in its bulk Galveston and alloy of tin and gallium and indium. Option number B. 89. Indian proposed for managed space mission and the traveler will call as Ganganath. There are four common bloods: AB, ABA, ABO, and however there is another very rare blood generally found in the human body from India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, which is this blood number. Karnataka awarded is the highest science award in India. Who is the recipient of Agnes Award 2021 Art, Atmosphere, Ocean, and Planetary Science category? Dr. Vinod Kumar Saikia. Which day is observed as the World Science Day? 10 November. Question number 93. Which national park in Assam is officially declared as the 7th national park in Assam by the Forest Department on June 9, 2021? Dihing Patkai. Option number B. Which of the following is and included among the 18 bites preserved in the India? Goat, Dibuko and Manas. Option number D. Deohang, the white-winged wood duck, is found in which of the national park? Option number B. Namari. In which national park? Option 96. Option. In which national park the feral house is available? Dibu 96. What is the step cloud of the Assam Kupu Foxtel Dale? How many area Deeper will cover in the what century? 441 square. 4.14 square kilometer. Option number A is the correct. 4.14 square kilometer area of the Deeporville covers as a what century? Which are the following trees is considered step tree of Assam? Long. Molai Katoni is located in Kokilamuk in Jorhat. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Uh, so thank you.